Hi guys, in this video, we're gonna focus on integration by using the U-Substitution technique. We're gonna go over some examples solving indefinite integrals. So, let's start. How do we find the antiderivatives of cosine 6x dx using U-Substitution? So, ang una nating gagawin ay hanapan ng value ang U. So, let's set 6x be the value of U. And then, next step is du. So, ang du ay derivatives of the U variable. So, the derivatives of 6x is 6 times dx. Then, let's get the value of dx. So, we divide both sides by 6. So, cancel. dx is equals to du over 6. Then, let's substitute 6x and dx in the solution. So, it's gonna be cosine instead of 6x, it's gonna be u. And instead of dx, it's gonna be du over 6. Next, lahat ng constant na nasa function ay itatranspose natin sa kaliwa ng integral sign. So, it's gonna be 1/6 cosine u du. Next is the antiderivative of cosine is sine. So, it's gonna be sine u times 1 over 6 plus c. So, we substitute du to positive c. And once we integrate the function, the integral symbol will disappear. Ang huli natin gagawin ay i-replace ang variable u sa 6x. So, the final answer is 1/6 sine 6x plus c. Let's try another example. Let's find the antiderivative of 5x times 9 plus x squared raised to 4 dx. So now, let's set u equal to the part of the function that has the higher exponent. We want u to equal to 9 plus x squared because du is gonna be 2x, which can cancel with the 5x, or at least x. Since 2x has the higher exponent, let's make u equals to 9 plus x squared. So du is gonna be 2x dx. Divide both sides by 2x so that we can get the value of dx. Cancel. Close to dx du over 2x. So now let's replace 9 plus x squared and dx. So the antiderivative of 5x times u raised to 4 times du over 2x. Cancel x. So now, any constant that we have on this, let's move it to the front. So it's gonna be 5 over 2 integral of u raised to 4 du. So the antiderivative of u raised to 4 is equals to u raised to 5 over 5 plus c times 5 over 2. So we can cancel the two 5's. So now it's gonna be 1/2 u times u raised to 5 plus c. So the final step is we substitute u to 9 plus x squared. So our final answer will be 1/2 9 plus x squared raised to 5 plus c. Let's have another example. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video and try nyong sagutan. So, the antiderivatives of 4x squared square root of 2x cubed minus 8 dx. Ano ang dapat nating gawing u? Yung 4x squared ba o 2x cubed minus 8? Now, 2x cubed minus 8 has the higher exponent, and the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Kung ito yung gagamitin natin, ang du natin ay magkakaroon ng x squared na pwedeng mag-cancel sa x squared na nasa labas. So, let's make u equal to 2x cubed minus 8. So, yung du natin is 6x squared times dx. So, let's get the value of dx. Divide both sides by 6x squared. So, dx is equals to du over 6x squared. Now, let's substitute the values. The antiderivative of 4x squared times the square root of u du over 6x squared. Now, the constant of 4 over 6, let's move it to the front and reduce it to lowest term. So, it's gonna be 2 over 3 integral of u. So, yung square root of u is equals to u raised to 1/2 du. So, the derivative of u raised to 1/2 is equals to u 1/2 plus 1 is the same as 1/2 plus 2 over 2, which is 3 over 2. Over 3 over 2, but we can simply multiply it by 2 over 3. According to the rules of dividing fractions. Then, plus c. Remember, replacing du by c. Then, 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Times u raised to 3 over 2 plus c. So, the last step is we substitute the value of u. So, the final answer is 4 over 9 times 2x cubed minus 8 raised to 3/2 plus c. So let's have the last examples. What is the derivative of dx over 8 minus 5x? So, u is equals sa part na nasa ibaba, which is 8 minus 5x. So, the derivative of this, of 8 is 0. So, this is simply negative 5 dx. Get the value of dx. So, divide both sides by negative 5. So, dx is equals to du over negative 5. Now, let's substitute these values. But first, let's reconstruct this equation so we can substitute is here. So, 1 over 8 minus 5x times dx. So, this will gonna be 1 over u times du over negative 5. So, let's move the constant in front. So, this will be negative 1 over 5. The integral of 1 over u du. Now, the antiderivative of 1 over x is ln x. So, for 1 over u, it's ln u. So, this will be negative 1 over 5 ln u plus c. The last step is to replace the u variable. So, the final answer is negative 1 over 5 ln 8 minus 5x plus c. So, this is the final answer.